Hey, what's up? So let's take a walk. I don't exactly know what to call this place in English. The title says sofa exhibition. It's a exhibition, a fair. I don't exactly know. It's a lot of stores from different cities come here to sell sofa, chairs, tables, everything. Since the vaccination is almost over and things are getting better, these things have started again, and for some reason people love coming here. The grandmother's chair. Beautiful works here. A lot of beautiful works. And cute kids, of course. There's one. Good kid. As we are reaching the end of the aisle, I want to remind you to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you know the name of this place in English. Thanks for the support.